Learn Spanish in less than 10 minutes. Hola, I am teacher Catalina, and today we're going to be learning about presentaciones en español. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to invite you to click that subscribe button. And please remember that if you hit that me gusta button, it really helps my channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to click that bell. It will tell you when we have new videos. Lastly, if you go to teachercatalina.com, you can find a lot of really good resources to learn Spanish. Let's start. Para presentar a una persona. To introduce someone. There's going to be a little bit of a difference between introducing a male and a female. Let's start with introducing a male. You could say, este es nombre. Basically, este es plus their name. For example, este es Pedro. Este es Pedro. Now, let's focus on introducing a female. You would say, esta es nombre. And basically, esta es plus their name. For example, esta es Juana. Esta es Juana. So now you know how to say this is plus their name. There's another form you can use regardless of whether you're introducing a male or a female. It basically works for both. And that would be te presento a and nombre. Remember, nombre means name. So we could say te presento a Pedro. Te presento a Pedro. Or te presento a Juana. Te presento a Juana. So remember, this form can be used for both males and females. And it means I introduce you to and their name. Let's look at some respuestas. Basically, how to respond. If you are a male responding, you would say encantado, encantado. But if you are a female responding, you would say encantada, encantada. It's almost like saying enchanted to meet you. Alternatively, you could say mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Or my pleasure. And after that, the other person will likely say igualmente, igualmente, likewise. And finally, the other person will reply el gusto es mío. El gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. And that's it, friends. Now you know how to introduce somebody. Chócalas. Give me 5. So now it's time for practica. Time to practice. Here is Josefa. And Josefa wants to introduce her 2 friends to one another. So she has Petra and her other friend named Miguel. So Josefa says, Petra, este es Miguel. Petra responds, encantada. To which Miguel replies, igualmente. There's another option of how things could have happened. Josefa could have said, Petra, te presento a Miguel. And Petra could have said, mucho gusto. And Miguel could have replied, el gusto es mío. And now you've seen both exchanges. So now let's change things up a little bit. Let's bring back Josefa. But this time, she's going to introduce 2 different friends to one another. La señora Camargo and her other friend named Felipe. So Josefa starts off by saying, Felipe, esta es la señora Camargo. And Felipe immediately says, encantado. To which señora Camargo replies, igualmente. And before we're done, let's look at how this could have gone differently. Felipe, te presento a la señora Camargo. Felipe could have said, mucho gusto. And la señora Camargo replies, el gusto es mío. That's it, friends. That was some good practice. Now you know how to introduce yourself or how to introduce somebody else. Remember that this video is here for you to play and replay as many times as you need to. Again, I am teacher Catalina, and I would certainly appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe so that we can continue learning Spanish together. And don't forget that if you click the notification bell, you will be notified when I have a new video. I also invite you to go to teachercatalina.com for a lot of free learning resources. Adios!